Okay, today we're playing obby, but you're a bird. Let's see. I hope nothing goes wrong. Oh wow, this is so. It just gives us low gravity, like when we jump, I guess. Maybe if I go around really quick. Yeah, maybe this dude is right. I should just. Maybe I should just keep on exploring till I find something. Oh, I thought that was like a spring. That's kind of embarrassing. Well, it's not that embarrassing. Let's go. I have been seeing this a lot on my recommended, so I'm playing it. Let's see. Yeah. You know, Roblox has lots of good games, but it has more bad ones. And also, the updates almost always kind of suck now. So there's that. Oh my gosh. I literally... Oh, or maybe... Oh, that is right. Wait. Oh, yeah, you can just jump up there. I don't think you can jump up that. Maybe... Wait, can I wall hop? I'm really bad at... Oh, I think you can. Yeah, I'm really bad at wall hopping anyway, so... Yeah, you go in here. I was being so dumb. Let's go. Okay. No. No. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Just around here. And okay, that's it. Let's do it. Yay. Boom. Easy. Easy peasy. Yay. Do you guys watch the Amazing Digital Circuit? What the heck? This is so annoying. Yeah, as I was saying, do you guys watch The Amazing Little Circus? Because the new episode came out like a week ago. A bit more than that, but caption, spikes. Oh, caution. Okay, yeah, it doesn't just take, well, it does, but it takes away all of my health. Oh, I'm a purple duck. Purple's my favorite color. And it's the color of grapes. And if you don't know about the duck song, then you need to be more cultured, because who doesn't know the duck song? You shouldn't be watching my videos if you don't know the duck song, actually. Probably. Oh, birds past us. Pretty sure I could fit through that, but it doesn't let me. So I'll have to just simply go around it. I'm so hip with the kids. Okay, yes. Okay, wrong way. Or actually, maybe that was the right way. Yep, right way. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's what it's all about. Okay, let's go. Let's do this, and this, and this, and then this. Let's go. I did it. I think I'm gonna get to the fourth one, and then I'm gonna stop the video, and if it does well, or if I get comments saying that they like the video, I'll post a part 2. Okay, yeah, I need to be quick. This is hard. If my video gets too long, then people will click off because it's too boring. Oh no. So I need to be quick. Also for you, I'm extremely good at obbies. I mean, not really, but I'm not bad at obbies. Or 2D platformers, or 3D platformers, which, that's basically just an obby anyway, but, okay. Does anyone actually say, like, obby for, like, obstacle course? I doubt it. Nope. I think that's gonna be the end of the video. So bye guys, and I died.